If you've ever tried cleaning your floors properly, you know that you need like 3 different tools to do it right. You've got a regular vacuum for hair and crumbs, a wet dry vac for spills and sticky messes, and a steam mop if you actually want to sanitize what you just cleaned. That's 3 separate devices and 3 places to store them, 3 separate cleanings, and nobody's doing all 3 every day. That's where the brand new Dreame Aero Ultra Steam vacuum mop comes in. This video is sponsored by Dreame, and they sent one for us to check out. This is their upgraded 3-in-1 setup that combines 392-degree Fahrenheit steam cleaning, 194-degree hot water mopping, and the new foam wash mode for powerful spot cleaning. All in one ultra slim body. Cat, dog, litter, sticky kitchen life, hard floors, some thick carpets in a couple of rooms. I've been putting it through everything in my house to see what it's like. Let's start with the feature that carries the whole product, which is the 392-degree Fahrenheit steam mopping. And at that temperature, it's hot enough to break down grease and cut through baked on residue, as well as sanitize the surface without you needing to spray a single chemical. And one thing worth clarifying up front is that 392-degree number is the steam temperature inside of the heating system, not the actual floor temperature. So when it's used on properly sealed hard floors, it's safe. So your floors aren't getting cooked. The steam does the work in the head of the mop and comes out at a much lower temperature. If you've got kids crawling on the floor, pets licking around the spill, the fact that this thing sanitizes with continuous high temperature steam and not ammonia-based cleaners is a big deal. What surprises me the most is that the steam is genuinely continuous. It's not a burst and die thing, so you just push the machine forward, you're getting constant sanitizing pass. On my kitchen, the dried on coffee drops and sauce splatters that would normally have me on the floor with a paper towel, the steam quickly softens them and the mop passes over them and they're gone. Alright, the next mode I actually want to spend the most time on because it's the one that I genuinely believe is quite special here, and that's the targeted foam wash cleaning. One press of a button on the handle automatically dispenses a pre-mixed foam directly onto whatever mess you're dealing with. So instead of you mixing a solution, spraying it, and waiting, this one press on the handle does the whole thing. And it's specifically designed for really rough situations like pet urine, vomit, or anything that lingers with an odor or leaves a stain if you don't neutralize it. The workflow here matters. You just spray the foam directly on the stain first and let it sit for a few seconds to break down the mess and neutralize the odor, and then you mop over it in a single pass. It's not a foam while you mop system, it's a foam does the chemistry and then the mop finishes the job. Now there's the mode that you're going to use most day to day, and that's the 194-degree hot water mopping paired with the 30 kilopascals of suction. And here's what happens when you push this machine forward. Hot water loosens whatever's on the floor, and the strong suction pulls the dirty water back up in the same pass. So you're not walking away with a wet floor that needs to dry for 20 minutes before anyone can walk on it. And that's kind of one of the annoying things about traditional mopping is that you clean the floor and then you close the room off until it dries. A few of the nice to have features actually made a real difference in my use. First, the body reclines flat to about 10 centimeters, so about under 4 inches, and it slides under couches, cabinets, and beds where most upright cleaners can't physically fit. And on top of that, there's a built-in LED strip along the front that automatically lights up whatever's on the floor. This makes it also great for corners and under furniture where you would otherwise miss dust. Then for pet owners, there's the Tangle Cut 2.0 on the brush roller, in which long hair, short hair, pet hair doesn't wrap around the roller. You remember on older machines, basically every week you'd flip over and look at the roller, take scissors and cut the hair off, put it back together. You don't have to do this at all with this. And at 72 decibels, it stays quiet enough to run without waking everybody up. Now the dock for this machine also has the same self-cleaning trick that the machine does on your floors. It uses a 392-degree steam and 203 hot water to sanitize the brush roller itself on the mop, then dries it in one of 2 modes so it's ready for the next use without that swampy, damp mop smell. And on runtime, you're actually getting up to 100 minutes on a single charge with a 0.9-liter water tank. Dreame rates the coverage at up to 7,534 square feet, which is well beyond a normal use in a normal house. Now, a few things worth flagging so you go in with the right expectations. First, the Aero Ultra Steam has a separate 100 milliliter cleaning solution tank, and the cleaning solution is dispensed only in eco mode and foam wash mode. Steam mode and hot water mode don't use the cleaning solution as they rely on the high temperature steam or hot water instead. So you simply just choose the right mode for the right type of mess you're cleaning. Second, this is a stick style upright cleaner, not a robot vacuum, so you are going to have to push it around. So it's a hands-on tool for when you want a deep clean, not a set it and forget it robot for daily passive cleaning. Dreame has those as well, and the benefit of what this provides is that it lets you take over and really have that control over cleaning those corners, edges, or hard to reach areas that sometimes robot vacuums just don't tend to hit. And of course, the fact that you can sanitize everything with steam. Now, the tank does need refilling for larger sessions, and of course, that dirty water needs to be dumped from time to time. Nothing surprising for a machine at this class, but just know how the workflow is before you get it. Now, here's where I land. The Dreame Aero Ultra Steam vacuum mop is honestly the first floor cleaner that I've used that legitimately replaces a bunch of different tools with just one machine. And if you have kids, pets, and a kitchen life, or you just care about the floors being clean, like properly cleaned, and the fact that this has the 392-degree steam mode is what makes it different from every other wet dry vac on the market. Nothing else at this size is doing continuous chemical-free sanitizing at that temperature. Link and discount code are right below in the description and in the pinned comments, so you don't have to pay full price. Thanks for watching, and thanks for Dreame for sponsoring this video and sending out the Aero Ultra Steam for us to check out. I'll catch you on the next one. Goodbye.